Turn your home into a complete fitness center with Samsung Health and enjoy Samsung Health on a bigger screen with Samsung TV. Want to see what it's like? Alright then, here we go! First, press the Home button, then select the Samsung Health icon. Wow! It's totally packed with content! There's exercise content carefully selected by the Samsung Health Curator. And there's also mindfulness content to help you meditate and sleep better. Want to do something other than the recommended content? Let's take a look at each category. You can find programs by type, like yoga, cardio, and strength. You can find content with Bixby too. Want to try? Show me yoga workouts in Samsung Health. When you follow along with videos, there are times you might be unsure of your posture or whether you're doing the exercises correctly, right? For that, leave it to our newly launched Smart Trainer from 2021. First, you need a USB camera. Just plug in the video camera's USB plug into your TV, and you're all set. So, how about we find a trainer who's perfect for you? Just choose content you like from the Smart Trainer section on the Samsung Health home screen. Then, select the Begin with Smart Trainer button. After that, you'll see yourself on screen, so just follow the guide. When you see the blue circle under your feet, it means the camera has recognized you. And with that, you're all set up. So what if the camera doesn't recognize you? If that's the case, then look around the room. If your surroundings are too complicated, or if the color of your clothes and the things around you are similar, it may have trouble recognizing you. Just remember that. Oh, that's right. Whenever the exercise changes, you'll get a new guide either from the front or from the side. This is to help give you an accurate analysis, so please follow along as best you can. Now follow along with the movements of the trainer on screen. Having trouble because it's your first time? If it's too hard, you can take a break. The system will wait for you just like a personal trainer. If the camera doesn't detect you for more than 10 seconds, the video automatically stops. When you come back into view, the video will automatically start playing again. You can also check real-time statistics while you exercise. Not only does it show you how many reps you've done, but you can check your total workout time, calories burned, and even your posture accuracy. If your posture isn't right, it shows up in red. If it's correct, it'll be green. There's also a play, pause button and a mute button at the bottom. So if it's hard, you can stop and start again as you need. And you can mute everything to exercise quietly. All right, the routine is finally over. Great job! After your workout, you'll get all kinds of information about your workout results. So now, let's try setting up a routine. Go to Samsung Health home screen and select the routine icon. First, choose Setup Routine. Then, set up date, time, activities the way you want. Now you're all set up. When you're watching TV and the set time comes around, a routine notification will appear at the top of the screen. All you have to do is select the Start Now button and start exercising. Even with a routine, it's not easy to keep on exercising regularly, is it? But you know that feeling when you achieve a big goal? It's thrilling, right? Select Challenge from the Samsung Health home screen and choose one of the challenge programs. How about this one? Exercise for 10 days within a 30-day time period. Still, when you're exercising alone, it's easy to get tired and give up, isn't it? Invite family and friends to join in on the challenge. If you're logged in on the TV with your Samsung account, you can easily invite others with the Invite button. So let's have everyone give it a try. Wow! Did you do it? Here are your achievement badges. Keep it up and keep on earning more badges! So how about we check out our exercise results? Go to the Samsung Health home screen. And when you select the profile icon at the top, the dashboard will appear. Here you can see your exercise information through Samsung Health. And you can even check your info from Samsung Health Mobile on your TV. What's that? You've never used Samsung Health Mobile? If that's the case, just select the Mobile Sync button on the dashboard page. When you enter your password, now your TV and mobile device are connected. Check out your mobile exercise data with Samsung Health on Samsung TV. If you don't have Samsung Health mobile app, don't worry about that. A link to download the Samsung Health app appears. Download the app with the QR code. You're done! What if the data on your mobile device and the data on your TV show up differently? Check to see if the Sync with Samsung account button on the mobile Samsung Health app is turned off. If you want to sync automatically, you can also turn off the Sync Only on Wi-Fi button. If you don't want to sync, you can press the Unlink button to turn it off. Select Dashboard from the top of the home screen. And if you go to the Achievements button at the bottom, you can see the various badges you've earned. If you keep on working out with Samsung Health, you can collect even more badges. While you challenge yourself to collect the badges, you'll feel your body changing along the way. What do you think? Sounds exciting, right? Finally, get some recommendations for types of exercises and the difficulty level that suits you. Select Activity Preferences at the bottom of the dashboard. Next, set your preferred exercise type and difficulty level. If you choose the See Recommendations button, you'll keep on getting exercise videos tailored just for you. For enjoyable home training that you'll be sure to keep up with, turn on Samsung TV and get started with Samsung Health.